Hi darlings, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's unit is proudly sponsored by Wiggins Hair. They sent me this 24 inches undetectable lace wig. Okay, absolutely love it. I love it so much because I didn't have to do much on this wig. You guys will see on the video. Honestly speaking, everything was such a breeze. I took it out of the box and straight onto my hair. The lace was so easy to work with. There was not much lace because, like I said, it's an HD lace wig. There was not shedding. There was none at all. The only shedding that came out was because obviously when you cut the sides, the hair just tends to come out, but there was no shedding at all. I love how it was so easy to put on. No amount of hairspray has been used on this hair because everything was just organic. So thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's unit. I love it so much. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, please do check the link in my description box. I will leave everything for you guys. Also do use my discount code to get some coins off your purchase. But with that being said, let's get straight into this beautiful hair. Okay, thanks.
All night, say it, I want all night.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
This is the hair, the star of the show. This is their HD lace undetectable lace, 24 inches. In case you were wondering, in case you're wondering, I've already taken out the lace and I saw the hair myself, and it is absolutely stunning. This is how it came in the packaging. Oh, gorgeous. Guys, water wave hair is so beautiful because of how lightweight it is and the texture as well. So it comes with a extra secure hanging. Please just look at that. It's gonna just sit on my hair and it's gonna be absolutely stunning. So this is the 24 inches water wave wig. Like I said, I love water wave wig so much because of how subtle and how lightweight it is. So without wasting any time, let's get into this install. I'm gonna fast forward everything. I'm gonna start with really a big fan of what's that thing, of doing the cap method. So I'm just gonna go in with the wig cap. Just like that. This is how it looks like. It's already snug, so your job here is honestly cut out for you. I don't want to lie to you.
Come through and chill, just like you will. Come through and chill, just like you will. Come through and chill, just like you will. Come through and chill.
All night, say it, I want all night.
Hello stranger.
I'm gonna let that girl sit there for maybe an hour because I want it laid. Okay, I'm gonna open the curls now and see what we breaking with. Honestly speaking, I want to keep the hair in its natural state, so I won't be doing much to it. Just, are you guys close to it? I won't be doing much to it, but no water, no nothing, because like I said, I want to keep it in the natural state. So I'm just gonna open it. Oh, I love water wave hair so much. Like, it's just a breeze. It's honestly a breeze. There you go. Okay, this hair is not what's this? It's not breaking. It's from the hair that I cut on the side, so there's a bit of hair on that, but it literally came so perfect. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on top for the flyaways. I don't even think I'm going to use a hot comb. I just want to preserve the natural curl. Once the melting is finished, I'm going to come back and take this out. But for now, let's just give it an hour. I'm going to go and do my makeup so that you guys can see how the hair is going to look once we are done. Honestly, everything is done for you with this wig. I don't want to lie to you. Everything is prepared for you. It came pre-plugged, but obviously because I like a little bit of an overplugged look, I went in a bit as well. But this is how the hair looks like it's stunning, it's perfect. I'm vacation ready. Okay, let's just let this chill and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. That has been on for close to an hour. Okay, that's how I wanted this hair to be laid and slayed.
Me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Lace, I need to put that down with some time for some I don't know if I want to do what do you call that? I don't know if I want to do some, should I? Maybe just a little, you know, just to give the hair some character. We can do some edges. Guys, I'm at a point where I cannot not do edges. Like, my hair needs to have character. We are honestly all done. I am gonna add the final touches on our girl. Then go do our makeup, come back. Let me just blur out that line. I don't like having a line that is super light, so I use this concealer, but I'm gonna push these back a bit. This is what we are currently working with. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to add water because I just feel like I want the curl to retain its natural pattern. But this is how our girl looks like. I'm gonna go to my face quickly and I'll be back. This is how our hair is currently looking like. I did not put any hair because I wanted to retain the hair's natural curl like I had mentioned. 24 inches undetectable lace. What do you mean? I went in and I put in some, you know, some a little something, and this is what we came up with. I want to show you guys the length of the hair, just right above my buttocks. So thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely loved this. I absolutely love this unit. I loved how quick and easy it is. It was sorry to install it because everything was done for you. Everything was pre done, so you didn't have to do much. So thank you, Wiggins. Love this hair so much. I'll see you on my next video. Cash out on a video. Cash out to see the rodeo.